software person.
2. Oh, are you? Okay.
1.
Yeah, no, like I said, Mike's a network guy. This guy right here doing the Rivera, he's a network guy. It's just, we all try to apply what we know and get it out there.
Yeah.
But the next step, actually, is commentating. So last year we started streaming and it was just kind of no audio, blank, whatever on YouTube. This year we've managed to get OBS and have an overlay with data, information, that sort of thing.
Handy 38.8.
What's this called?
This is lifetime.
42.1.
So the timer out on the box is sending this information, and then OBS is sending this information to Lifetime, Live FPV. And so when this is obviously their commercial, but when they're flying this, and there's other overlays too. I'm still a novice at it, but there's where you can have this information populated above each individual screen as they go. So right now, this guy, let's see, race band 3. So I'm going to say that's number 3 right there, maybe. And there's other overlays but his laps, lap times, his pace. It's supposed to give you a better understanding of who you're watching. But again, like I said, there's another overlay that I don't know how to get to yet that puts this information above each screen. Number 3 right there, maybe. But like I said, I figure our people watching from home supposed to give you a better understanding. But again, like I said, there's another overlay that I don't know how to get to. Trying to grow the sport. That puts this information. Bring them in. Come play.
You are?
Jay.
Jay
McKibben. But like I said, I figure our people watching
Speed Addicts at first, now you guys changed your name.
Yeah, so I founded Speed Addicts and David founded Toxic Thoughts. And
Merged.
Exactly. Merged last year, mainly because of manpower. You need more manpower to do bigger events. You get more stuff, you need more people.
Sure.
So yeah, we combined
Squirmy 116.3 squirmy done.
and to Dallas Drone Racing, and so that's what we're doing now.
Okay.
Exactly.
I think you were out at Flight Fest, weren't you?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was down there.
Did you pull that big trailer?
No, that's